Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the HODL application. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the HODL application on your smartphone, and once it is opened up, you will be asked which kind of plan you want to use. Go ahead and choose whichever option suits your interest and then tap on the Start button. You will then be asked to select which kind of assets you are interested in. You can select both crypto and stocks, or just one based on your interest. Then tap on the Finish button, and now you will directly be able to see various stocks. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, go ahead and tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Then you will find the Account tab. Tap on Account, and now you have two different options. You can sign up using your email address or your Google account. So go ahead and choose whichever option is suitable for you. If you tap on Sign up with email, you will be asked to enter your desired email address, your name and your password. Go ahead and type in your desired email address followed by your name and your password. Then tap on the Next button at the top right corner, and then you will be asked to check your email for a 6-digit verification code. So just check the inbox of the email address that you just used to sign up, and you will find your verification code. Just type in your verification code and tap on the Next button, and now your account will successfully be created. You can tap on the Done button to start using the HODL application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the HODL application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.